Hello all. Today we are going to start with some advanced commands. So first we'll see one file which I have already made as a emp.txt which contains the data such as employee number, employee name, post, department, date of birth and the basic salary. These are the contents of the given file, which are separated by using one special symbol as a pipe. Okay, so we can use any symbol as a field separator. So how we'll come to know employee number, e-name, post, department, these are the different fields. So for that purpose we have used pipe symbol as a separator. Now next we'll start with the command PR. PR, it is the command that can be used for paginating the page. It is nothing but displaying the contents of the page in the format as in a page wise, where it displays the date and time, the file name itself as in a header and the page numbers. So we can say it is similar to the print preview of any given file. So if we want to change the header, if we want to give the double spacing among the lines, then that is also possible. So what are the different options that we can use along with the PR command? So first we'll clear the screen. So PR option H is used to give the title to the file. Suppose we said my file, this title we want to assign to the file emp.txt. Now let's see the change. So now the title gets changed, my file. So apart from this, we can use other options also. Suppose we want to give the double line spacing among the lines, we can use option D. If we want to assign the numbering to the lines, we can use option N for the numbering. So see the effect of all these different options that we have applied. So option N can be used to assign the line number. So here we are getting the line number 1, 2, 3, 4. Option D is used for double line spacing while displaying the output. So here we do have a double line spacing. So here other options are also available that we can use along with the PR command. Just we have to use the man command for the help. Now sometimes our concern is we want to display only first few lines of the given file. So for that purpose we have the head command. So by default head commands display first 10 lines. So here if we see, by default it is going to display the first 10 lines from the given file. If you want to display the last 10 lines from the given file, you can use the tell command. So here it is displaying the last 10 lines of the given file. Now sometimes we want to extract few lines from the given file, more than 10 or less than 10. And in that case, we have to use the option. Suppose I want to display the only first 3 lines, so -3 and the file name emp.txt. So it is displaying only the first 3 lines. The same I can use, for the same I can use option N also. Option N followed by the number of lines. Head, option N, how many lines you want to display? 3 and the file name. So both gives the output in the same format. Sometimes you want to display the only first few characters. Suppose you want to see only first 7 characters. So you can use the option C for character and the character count 7. So see here it is displaying only first 7 characters of the given file. So what are the options that we have used along with the head? The same are applicable for the tell command also. So if you want to see the last 6 lines from the given file, so we have used tell option N 6 and the file name. So it is displaying last 6 lines. If you want to display last 6 characters only, so we can use the option C for the character. So it has displayed the last 6 characters from the given file. Now next we'll see the cut command. So we know the contents of the employee file are like this. So now it displays all the fields, employee name, number, post, all those things. But sometimes we want to extract only few fields. Then how it is possible? So for that purpose, we have cut command. So cut. Now after this, we have to specify the delimiter. In double quotes, we have specified, we have used pipe symbol as in a field separator in the given file. So option D specifies the field separator or the delimiter. Then which field you want to extract? So for that purpose, we have option F. So we want to extract, suppose, first and the third field, means employee number and the post. And from which file? Employee.txt. Now see the output. So it has displayed the first and the third field. Likewise, if you want to extract some other contents, yes, you can specify that one also. Suppose second and the fifth field. So second and the fifth field. So this is all about the cut command. But whatever output we are getting, that is temporary. I want to make it as a permanent. So the output of the first and third field, I want to store in a separate file. So already we have seen, we have the output redirection symbol, and I will store the output in the file cut1. Okay. Likewise, suppose I have extracted, suppose fourth and the sixth field, and that I have stored in the cut2 file. So now see the contents of the cut1 and the cut2. So this is how what output we are getting. We'll extract the, suppose, first and the sixth field in a cut2. So cat cut2. I think some data is missing, so that's why under salary it is showing date of birth. Okay, no problem. So now if I say cat cut1 and cut2, it will concatenate the output of these two files row wise. But what I want, if I want to concatenate them field wise, so then how it is possible? So for that purpose, we have paste command. So paste first file, second file, and now see the output. So here the output, first two fields are, this is the output of the cut1, and last two fields, it is the output of the cut2. So means we can concatenate the output field wise or the column wise also. So by default, space comes as in a field separator. So if we want to give any other symbol explicitly as in a field separator, yes, that is also possible. So use option D. And which symbol you want to give as in a field separator? Suppose pipe. So you have given pipe, cut1, cut2. So here we got pipe symbol as in a field separator between these two files, or we have used, suppose, star. So star comes in between them. So this is cut command and the use of paste command. Now next we'll see the sort command. So for that purpose, suppose we have created one file numbers in which we will enter some numbers randomly. Okay, now see the contents of the numbers file. So these are the numbers. Now we want to sort these numbers. So for sort, we do have the sort command itself, sort and the file name numbers. So now see the output. Does the contents gets in a sorted order? No, it won't show the contents in a sorted order. The contents get sorted as per the ASCII wise. So we want to sort them as per their value. So we have to use option N for the numeric sort. So option N, it will sort the contents as per its numeric value, and we are getting the output as a 1, 2, 3, and the highest value is the 57. So this is the sort command. Now we'll see the use of the sort command on our employee file. Okay, so if we see the employee records, those are not in a sorted order, so we want to sort them. So sort, so we have to mention here field separator. So option T is used to specify the field separator. Then you want to specify the which field you want to sort. So option K is used to specify the field. We want to sort the first field, and for which file? For the employee file. So see the result. So if we see here, whatever the employee numbers are there, as per the employee number, the fields gets sorted. Now employee number, this is the label that we have assigned, so that comes at the end of the file. So this is the sorting as per the first field. So if you want to sort the records as per the name, second field, yes, you can do that one also. So now see A, B, E, J, and the last field is the V, VK Agarwal. So this is the use of the sort command. Now next we'll see the use of the tr command. So what is the use of tr command? So we know the contents of the employee.txt file, it's written in a lowercase. So we want to convert them in uppercase, then how it is possible? So we have used tr, the command which is used to translate one character into the other one. So just I said, I have given the range A to Z. These are the characters in uppercase. Now I want to convert them into the uppercase. So A to Z. Now for which file we want to do this? Employee. emp.txt. So this is how we are giving the input. So if you run this command, it will not work. Because for tr command, we have to give the file name as a standard input. So we have seen the use of the standard input symbol. So here again, standard input symbol can be used along with the tr command. And now see the output. So whatever is in a lowercase, that gets converted into the uppercase. But this is what then? A temporary effect. Okay. So this is not a permanent one. So if you want to make this as a permanent, this output again you can store in a separate file, suppose emp1.txt. So now what the emp1.txt contains? It contains the files with the uppercase. So this is all about the tr command. Then next we'll see the use of the t command. Suppose I want to count the number of the users which are logged into our system. So we know wc option L, it is the command which is used for creation of the, to count the number of the users, isn't it? Where we have used the pipe symbol, isn't it? Now sometimes we want to trap the output of one command in a file, separate file. So how it can be done? For example, the output of who we can store in the user count file. Okay. Then this user count file we can use along with option L. So that it will display the number of the users as in a 1. So here I have used user count file to store the output of the who command. So instead of creating this file by using redirection symbol, what I can do? Who command. The output of who can be stored in a separate file by using the t command. So t command followed by the file name. Suppose I said u file. The file name is u file. And then use the pipe symbol with option L along with WC to count number of users. So the output of who is redirected to the t command where it will create a file u file, and this u file will be given as an input to the WC command, and we will get the output on the console as an count as a 1. So if we see here what the u file will contain, now in this case the u file will contain the output of the who command, means the usernames itself. So here we got the output of the what name who command which is captured or which is trapped in the u file. So this is the use of the t command. So whenever we want to trap or capture the output of any command in a separate file, we can make the use of the t command. So these are some of the commands that can be used as advanced files in the Linux system. So we'll stop here. Hope all of you have understood the concepts. Thank you.